Do you work in a factory and hear words like quality, inspection, or defect, but don't feel confident using them in English? In today's lesson, you will learn the basic concepts of quality control in a simple, practical way you can use at work. You'll understand what quality control is, why it is important, and how to talk about it in real factory situations. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use key English words and join basic conversations about product quality with your team. Let's get started.
Hi, Mai. Welcome to the quality control team.
Thanks, Nam. I'm new, so I want to understand quality control clearly.
Sure. Quality control is about making sure every product meets the standard.
So we check if the product is good enough?
Exactly. We do inspection during and after production.
What is the difference between during and after?
During production is in-process inspection. After is final inspection.
Oh, I see. Why do we need both?
Because we want to find problems early and avoid big losses.
That makes sense. What do we usually check?
We check dimensions, appearance, and function.
What are dimensions?
Dimensions mean size, like length, width, and height.
And appearance?
Appearance is how the product looks.
Like scratches or dirt?
Yes, those are common defects.
What about function?
Function means how the product works.
So if it doesn't work, it is a defect?
Correct. That is a serious defect.
Are all defects the same?
No, we have minor, major, and critical defects.
What is a critical defect?
A critical defect can be dangerous or unsafe.
That sounds serious.
Yes, we must stop the production line.
Stop the line?
Yes, to prevent more bad products.
What do we do after we find a defect?
First, we record it in the inspection report.
What is an inspection report?
It is a document with all inspection results.
Do we include photos?
Yes, photos help explain the issue clearly.
Who checks the inspection report?
The supervisor or quality engineer.
What does a quality engineer do?
They analyze the root cause of the problem.
What is root cause?
The main reason why the problem happens.
Can you give an example?
For example, wrong machine setting can cause a defect.
Oh, so we need to fix the cause, not only the problem?
Exactly. That is called corrective action.
What is corrective action?
It means fixing the problem and preventing it again.
That is very important.
Yes, it improves overall quality.
What if the product does not meet the standard?
Then we mark it as non-conforming.
Non-conforming means not acceptable?
Correct. It does not meet the requirement.
Great job today! In this lesson, you learned the basic concepts of quality control, including important words like quality, inspection, defect, and standard. You also practiced how to use these words in simple, real-life factory conversations. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will become when speaking English at work. In the next lesson, we will learn about inspection tools and how to use them in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.